Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this car review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using their services. Car Personal Loan Review, a user's perspective. Car is a digital lending platform designed to provide individuals with fast and flexible personal loans. Perfect for those seeking quick access to capital, Car simplifies the borrowing process with a streamlined online application. Whether you're looking to consolidate debt, finance home improvements, manage emergency expenses, or cover other personal needs, Car presents a convenient alternative to traditional banking institutions, which often involve lengthy approval processes and rigid requirements. Applying for a loan through Car is entirely digital, offering a smooth and hassle-free experience. The application itself takes just minutes to complete, and Car is known for its rapid decision-making, often providing loan approvals within hours. Loan amounts range from $1,000 to $25,000, with repayment terms spanning 1 to 5 years. Interest rates are competitive and determined based on individual creditworthiness. While Car doesn't charge an origination fee, a fixed interest rate applies to the borrowed amount. Transparency is a key feature of Car. All loan terms, interest rates, and associated fees are clearly presented upfront, eliminating any hidden surprises. Car also provides flexible repayment options, including the ability to make early repayments without incurring penalties, empowering you to expedite your loan payoff if your financial situation allows. With its mobile-friendly interface, Car ensures easy loan management, balance checks, and payments on the go. Car is an excellent option for individuals with good credit seeking a streamlined and efficient way to access personal loans. If you need extra funds for a significant purchase, debt consolidation, or unexpected expenses, Car offers a fast and user-friendly solution. Click the link in the description to begin your application today.